So this is one of my favorite songs to play on acoustic guitar. It's just super fun and happy. It's Give a Little Bit by Supertramp, covered later by the Goo Goo Dolls. And I'm Steve, and I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. So let's get right to it. I begin here with an A7th chord, actually. Check the link to the chord charts. So I've got an A7th. It's like playing an A with that open G string. And you go like this. A7th to D. D major, A7 to D, G to A7, G to A7, G, and then it begins, the verse right here. Give a little bit, D, A7, D, G, A major. And after doing that twice, it goes into a B minor. B minor, there's so much that we, E major, G major, so send a smile, and I'll, A major, show you care, and then it does it again, B minor, and now, if you can do this, when you go to that E major, you add this finger right here onto the 2nd fret of the G string, just for a second, listen. Pretty cool. And then when you go to the G, don't just go straight to a G, walk it up, go like that. Just put your finger on the 2nd fret of the E string and then play that G and then the A7th. Now if you want to get tricky, add this finger to that A7th and go. That. So I did a regular A7th, but you add this finger to the 3rd fret of the B string. So one more time. And then at the end of that, and the 2nd time around, it goes to the C major, to the G, to the A7th. Then it goes back into the verse again. I'm teaching you a lot. You're probably gonna have to pause and rewind. So let me give it to you real quickly and I'll show you one more cool little walk up. It goes. Then it goes into that chorus, or B minor, E, without that, to G. That A7th version I just showed you. One more time, B minor, E, G, C, G, and now here's the last thing I'm going to teach you. We're running out of time. A, like that, you play an A or an A7th, and then take these fingers. That's the 4th fret of the D and 3rd fret of the B. And then you go 5th fret of the D string and 5th fret of the B and go up 2 more like that. So it goes. And then back to the D, or G to the D. Okay, that was crazy fast. Again, pause, rewind. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you some more for a little over 3 minute lessons. See ya.